James at Gulf Auto Direct, and this is our 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan SE. As you can see, it's white in color, has black leather interior, and right at about 41,000 miles on it. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around video of it to help you see it up close. I've walked around, I haven't noticed any kind of dents, dings, or scratches or anything like that. And it does have the panoramic sunroof, as you can see up there. We'll kind of come down the front of the vehicle so that you can kind of get a good look at the front. We'll just kind of come around there. Once again, I haven't noticed any scuffs or anything like that down here. The vehicle is running right now, sounds really good. And then coming down the back of the vehicle, everything on the rear looks great as well. I like how it has the dual chrome tipped pipes back here too. And just give you a good close-up look at those wheels. All right, let's go ahead and take a look inside. Go ahead and pop this up. It does have the struts back here. It's not a power lift gate, but it does come up pretty easily. It's a Tiguan. It does have the third row back here. You can see the leather seats with the black stitching. And now, of course, if you aren't using those seats, you can lay those forward. I'll hit that down there. And then also pulling this handle right here lays that second row of seats forward too, so you do have all of that room if you need it. And then you got a little storage right down here and where your spare tire is. All right, taking a quick look at this second row of seats, you can see leather, perforated leather down here. We got a couple power outlets back here and rear AC vents. A good amount of room here. It does seat 7 altogether. You got your cup holders right there in the middle too. Cup holders or armrests. And then we'll just take a quick look across this the front of the vehicle. We got our power seats with lumbar support down there too. Perforated leather seats, no kind of wear and tear or anything there. All right. And now inside the vehicle, we got our dual zone climate control. We have our touch screen right here. I'll put it in reverse. There's the backup camera that pops up there. Of course, push button start. Heated seats in the front as well. And then what I'll do is I'll go up close right here. And you can see the exact miles is 40,908 miles. All right, just wanted to send you a quick video. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call, send us an email or text. Thank you.